But the BJP is making an issue saying that he is a tourism politician, he's a tourist politician, and because he is going in between the session. So how do you respond to this?
See, first of all, BJP in ruling has a lot of responsibilities to sort here because people have elected them to sit there to sort the people's problem. And Rahulji is going to Germany on the invitation of the Progressive Alliance Party discussions, and it is a constructive line is going on in regard to the global politics. And here they want to talk just because they have to. The BJP leadership ultimate goal is to divert the people's attention in this country. They don't have much to do for the people, rather only diverting the attention of the people. They want to, like yesterday we were discussing on SIR. Let's see what Amit Shah will be answering today to the people of this country. Either he bulldozes or he gives a constructive answer. So, in regard to Indigo also, you see, the minister has come and he spoke on what is happening, but he never gave the final reply who have suffered. The people who have suffered with the cancellation of the flights, he didn't spoke anything about them. And what will be the, what will he do for not happening further in this country such issues? So, ultimately what I am saying is, BJP has multiple issues to address, rather concentrate on what they have to address, not on such issues.